We will comply with the court's decision, but it does not change our values.
From the hallowed halls of Harvard University.
That a thriving, diverse intellectual community is essential to academic excellence and critical to shaping the next generation of leaders.
To the Southern California campuses of the University of San Diego and Point Loma Nazarene University, today's Supreme Court ruling to end affirmative action was heard loud and clear.
Everyone should be included in college. Everyone should have equal opportunity to learn and grow into the profession. And more diversity for the college is greatly appreciated.
Affirmative action means that institutions of higher education have been free to consider an applicant's race in admission decisions.
I try my best.
Leiyun Yuan appreciated that. She is a Chinese citizen who was accepted at USD and just graduated with a bachelor's degree in marketing.
I have to take more exam for admission, and I like to prove myself I can study at here, and I will pay more tuition fee.
The Supreme Court ruled that affirmative action programs at the University of North Carolina and Harvard are unconstitutional. California has had a ban on affirmative action in public universities since 1996. That ban has held up through legal challenges. This Supreme Court ruling will directly affect private universities in California. There are more than 80 of them across the state, including USD and PLNU.
Well, the Supreme Court decision today is truly disappointing.
Michelle Sequeiros is president of the Campaign for College Opportunity, an organization that works to close the inequity college gap for students of color and from marginalized communities.
We know that the future of our country depends on everyone having an opportunity to go to college, and we certainly need to ensure that that opportunity exists at every college and university, including the most selective institutions in our nation.
KPBS News was given a written statement from USD President James Harris, who said in part, the exact scope and implications for colleges and universities across the country will need to be carefully assessed in the coming weeks and months. USD has a long-standing commitment to inclusiveness, diversity, and opportunity for all, and will continue to pursue these ideals within the bounds of the law. Back on campus, there is support for students who are living at a systematic disadvantage when applying for college, and even once they've made it here.
That has just been perpetuated over time, and I think that should be something that's considered then at a state level if the U.S. Supreme Court isn't supporting that.
Another Supreme Court ruling that will be added to the history books. M.G. Perez, KPBS News.